Today we'll be discussing about the nature of roots. The rational and equal roots have a discriminant that is greater than 0 or a positive number. And is also a perfect square. When we see perfect squares such as 25, 16, 36, 81, those type of numbers. Let me just cite down those examples later on. And for irrational and unequal, they are greater than 0 or a positive number, but they are not a perfect square. Let me just copy this out. Sorry, I'm a bit lazy to do this lesson today. Greater than 0 or a positive number, but is not a perfect it should be perfect square. Not a perfect square. And what numbers do I mean by that? Well, 3, 7, 22. They don't have any. You can't really find you can't extract the roots, right? But for 25, you can extract them, which is, 5. Rational and equal is exactly 0. Like, if the discriminant is 0, then that's the rational and equal. 0. Imaginary or complex is a negative number or lesser than 0. Examples are basically any type of number but it should be negative, like negative 30, 11, negative 4, just any type of negative number.